Hi guys! In today's video, I'm showing you how to fill invitation bar of Monopoly Go. The process is quite simple and easy. The first thing is open your application. After it opened, take a look on the bottom right. You can see the option Friends. Tap on this one, and from here, tap on Invite. This is the invitation bar of Monopoly Go. And here you can send invitation up to 10 people, and if all person download the application through your link, then you will get free dices. After 10 downloading from your link, you will get the maximum reward of 150 dices plus Mr. Monopoly token. And how can you send link? Tap on the option Invite and send invitation through Facebook, WhatsApp, Messenger, and on all other platforms. Before sending the invitation, make sure they did not install this application before, because if they have, then you will not get any reward. So send invitation to your friends and family member and ask them to download the application with your link, so then you can get free dices and reward from Monopoly. So it was the basic way by which you can fill the invitation bar of Monopoly Go.